You survived ordeals that would have broken most people, while others went on with their lives. You were going through hell. And today, without even realizing it, you possess something very few people have, an invisible strength forged in pain. That makes you extraordinary. Suffering transforms the human brain in fascinating ways. Neuroscience has discovered that people who have experienced trauma develop a unique ability to process complex emotions. Your brain has literally created new neural connections to survive. You have developed an emotional intelligence that others take decades to acquire, if they ever do. This strength manifests itself first and foremost as extraordinary resilience. When others panic in the face of difficulties, you remain calm. Why? Because you have already faced worse. The small, everyday problems that stress most people seem trivial to you. You have developed a perspective that only suffering can teach. You know how to distinguish what truly deserves your energy from what is merely noise. Furthermore, you possess a deep and genuine empathy. Unlike those who sympathize superficially, you truly understand the pain of others. You can feel their suffering because you intimately know your own. This ability makes you someone people naturally turn to in difficult times. You have become a beacon for those walking through darkness. Your third superpower is mental clarity. Suffering burns away illusions. It destroys false beliefs and superficial priorities. You now know what truly matters in life. You no longer waste time on toxic relationships or meaningless goals. You have paid a high price for this wisdom, and it now guides you with remarkable precision. You have also developed exceptional strength of character. Each hardship you have endured has added a layer of steel to your personality. You no longer crumble easily. You know how to get back up again and again. This tenacity is rare and precious. In a world where many give up at the first obstacle, you keep moving forward even when all seems lost. Suffering has also given you a unique creativity. To survive, you had to find innovative solutions, think differently, and constantly adapt. This mental flexibility has become your signature. You see possibilities where others see only dead ends. You transform obstacles into opportunities because you have learned to dance with adversity. But be careful. This strength comes with a responsibility. You cannot waste it on bitterness or victimhood. Your suffering was not in vain if you use it to create something beautiful, to help others, to build a life that honors everything you have been through. Many people who have changed the world had the same strength forged in pain. Nelson Mandela, Frida Kahlo, Viktor Frankl. They transformed their suffering into fuel to accomplish the extraordinary. You have that same potential within you. So today, acknowledge its strength. Stop seeing yourself as a broken victim. You are a warrior who has survived the war. Your scars are not weaknesses. They are proof of your courage. Every tear shed has nourished the powerful person you have become. The question is no longer whether you are strong. You are. The real question is, what will you do now with this rare strength that so few possess? The world needs people like you. Subscribe to discover how to transform your pain into power.